Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a new project here. So we have the E36 widebody, but we're going to be starting a new project on the 190E that we just picked up. Now this is actually a really cool car. Two owners, so it's a really good condition car. Of course, you know, it's old, it's kind of falling apart, but we can get all of that restored. But what I'm really interested in is we're going to be doing a full custom wide body kit on this car. So everyone knows the Mercedes 190E Evo II, and that's what we're going to be building on this car. So we actually started 3D printing the full kit for this car, and that's what we're going to be installing. So for this car right here, the E36 wide body, this was an actual kit that is fiberglass and it was just straight panel bond to the car. But for this one, we're actually 3D printing it. So it's going to be 3D printed material. We're going to be doing some fiberglass skinning, and we're going to be making some molds when it's full complete. But we've already started on the front fenders and the front bumper. So let's head over to the trunk and we'll show you how that's going. All right guys, so for some reason, the car actually came with 4 keys. 2 of these are for ignition. I think the other ones are for the doors. So, all right, there we go. All right, so here's what we got so far. 1/4 of the front bumper done. So this is the part that's for the passenger side. So that's going to come right about here. And of course, this doesn't go over the original, but it replaces the original bumper. So we can't quite fit it on yet until we remove the original bumper. But just for the vision, you can kind of see how that's supposed to fit on there. And we're going to have to create our own mounting points for it, but you can kind of see how that's supposed to fit on the front end. Test fitting, we're gonna plastic weld all these pieces together, but just for now, to show you guys what we have so far, we just use duct tape, which is doing the job. And so this is going to sit right around here, and if you can actually look at our file, it does have the original notches just like the OEM kit, where it lines up with the notches on the body line of the car, so we can line those up. And it lines up in the back as well. So you can see those 2 notches right there where it's lined up. Alright guys, so I had to actually grab some tape real quick because it's hard to line it up with one hand. But basically, that's our first body line right there. If I grab another piece, hold that real quick. Cord. Actually, that's the cord a lot. Huh? And then second body line, the notch. So let's just put that on right there. This is really trash tape. And right there.
Don't worry about how it looks right now.
You have the side skirts that have to go down there, but this sits right under there and it's flush along the body. It has all of the line, it has all of the indentations right here for the body lines. So the kit is flush, and we're going to do a lot of body work to get it straight. But you can kind of see, if you look at it from right here, you can see how it is flush with the body. That's a little update of what we've been working on with the car that we just got. We're doing the wide body, and we'll keep you guys updated. We're gonna go ahead and print the rest of this kit for the whole front end. So we're gonna finish that front fender, finish the passenger front fender, and we're gonna finish printing this front bumper. So stay tuned. Our next video is probably gonna be of the whole front end complete. Maybe we're gonna plastic weld all these pieces together so we can put them on the car and you guys can get a really good view of what's supposed to look. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys are interested to see how a 190E Evo kit looks on the car after it's printed, make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe. If you have any comments, feel free to drop a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.